Hello world, welcome back to my channel. My name's Paul. Just having breakfast. Today we'll head up to Kuala, Perlis, which is where you get the ferry to Langkawi Islands. We'll stay there tonight in Kuala, Perlis and head to Langkawi tomorrow. Having breakfast in my usual place. And, it's being a creature of habit. The coffee guy, I just looked at him, he knew what I wanted. The soup guy, I looked at him, he knew what I wanted. Yeah. I need to change things up a bit, confuse people. Well, we're all loaded up, ready to go. I've already told you where we're going, so I may as well just do it. Oh, I forgot to put helmet cam on. I'll stick the camera on the helmet. We'll be on the road. We're heading exactly the same direction we did maybe a week ago. We're heading back towards Thailand. That happens to me every time. I get these beautiful days when I'm doing nothing, just eating. And when I'm riding, terrible, terrible day. Hopefully that's just fog up ahead of us and not rain. But we will find out very shortly. Well, these guys waved at me as I was going past, and as they were going past me, because this finale, this is quick, especially compared with me. But they were stopped at this toll booth, so we pulled over, having a hello. They offered me a cigarette, but no, I don't smoke. Hey guys, we peed on another tree. Mad Dog Adventures. Good on you guys. Well, we made it to Kuala, Perlis. This is the ticket office. There's so many different ferry companies, but this is the one I'm told that I can take the bike on nice and safely. They're at lunch. It's 2:30 now. They say they'll be back at 2:30, so they should be any time now. Okay, so if you remember last year we went to Labuan Island, which it's a federation of Malaysia. Well, Langkawi's the same. So I've got to have my carnet, I've got to have all proof of insurance and stuff. So I'm going to go and get that, come back. Hopefully the insurance I've got's enough, but we'll see. We will see. Well, we've got our tickets. I only got one way because you've got to tell them when you're coming back, and I don't know what to expect when I get over there. So I might be able to do everything in a day. I might want to stay there 2 or 3 days. I just got one way. It doesn't make much difference. Hang on, the girl's just calling me again. My Thai phone number or my WhatsApp? Hang on, I'm just going to turn off, guys. Now it's a little bit after 7. I'm just getting my breakfast. I stayed at the Noor boutique, which was great, guys. Really comfy, everything. Not close to restaurants or anything, so I had just chips and biscuits for dinner last night, but it was really comfy. Now I'm about 5 minutes from the ferry terminal. I have to be there between 7:30 and 8 to get my ticket stamped, and then we're on the boat to Langkawi. Now I don't know if you guys remember when I went to Labuan. I went from Brunei to Labuan, then back to Malaysia. Langkawi's like Labuan. It's part of Malaysia, but it's not part of Malaysia, so you still need your passport and everything to get there. It's considered a federation of Malaysia, and they're very, very popular places to holiday, because if you pay maybe, I'm not sure, but say you pay $3 for a can of beer here, you'll pay about 50 cents over there, because they don't have the strict taxes and things. But I've booked 2 nights at a really nice resort. I got a great deal, like one of those booking.com deals. It might be because it's off season, but yeah, I got a $150 resort for $40 a night. So I'm paying the same price at this beautiful resort as I paid for at this place. But anyway, I'm waffling, guys. My breakfast being chopped up there for me to eat. I'm hungry. Ready to go to Langkawi. This is the hotel here, guys. The Noor, the restaurant's just next door. It's all part of the same thing. Amazing breakfast, amazing. And now we're all packed, ready to go to the boat. I'm excited. Well, we're ready. This is the boat we're going on. They made it seem like it was really important. I got here at 7:30, so my hotel actually did me breakfast early. They opened up their kitchen, started cooking early, so I could be here at 7:30. can't even board till 8:30, so I could have booked in at 8. No, that's all right. We're here now. Look where we are, guys. I hope the GoPro's doing this justice. I say that a lot, and it usually does. Just amazing, guys. Now, I'm a little worried how Libby's going to handle going across the water on her stand. I hope she doesn't fall over, but I can't be worrying too much because next year we'll be doing ferries and boats all over Indonesia, East Timor, Timor-Leste. Look at this, guys. It's worth getting up early in the morning for. Those who were following me last year will also remember how much I love travel, boat travel. It's my favourite way of travelling, really. Just so relaxing, amazing. Got me all excited. Excited for nothing. Oh no, they're just setting up the track so people don't go off the side. I have to unbalance the boat. Yeah, I forgot to turn the cam on, but we're on board. I hope she's alright, guys. Anyway, she falls over, she falls over. It's not the first time. Look at this. I do really love boat travel. But let's get upstairs, find somewhere comfy to sit. Sadly, all the seating's inside. I'd rather be sitting out on the deck, but that can't be helped. We'll there's a bench out there. I'll go out, just tall enough for me. There's a bench out there. I'll go and sit out there for a bit, check out the ocean as we go. And most of the seats are facing this way and the TVs are that way, so I'm guessing we're going that way. And sounds like something's happening. We're about to move. It's right on 9 o'clock, which is when we're supposed to go. I just hope Libby's alright down there on her stand, but she's going to be on a lot of ferries over the next few months, so let's hope everything's okay. It's a bit noisy here, I hope you can hear me. Since we've been back in Malaysia, I've been up and down that freeway. Oh, that's better, away from the noise. I've been up and down that freeway, but now, guys, we're really back in Southeast Asia. I'm so happy, I'm almost sad, really. Just amazing. Look at this, guys. Libby's just down there. Can I see her? No, I can't. I hope she's okay, but look at this, guys. Sorry about that noise. Can't be helped. We'll be good through Indonesia. I'm very, very happy. Look at this, guys. Look where I am. Just unbelievable. Look at this, guys. I really am so happy. When I said I'm so happy, I'm almost sad. That wasn't an exaggeration. Such an incredible feeling to be back here. I loved Pakistan, Nepal, India, but it's not Southeast Asia, guys. Guys, but I got a really good deal on a resort, one of those. It might be because it's off season, but it's one of these in here, these buildings here, I'm pretty sure. It's only a few minutes. I just checked on Google Maps. It's only a few minutes from the ferry port. I'm excited, guys. I'm so happy that I'm here. Really. Look at this. Unbelievable. Langkawi Island, Malaysia. I forgot to put the camera on when we were leaving as well, off the ferry. But this is Langkawi, guys. Oh, nice. That green and sort of grey building there, that's This is out the front of my hotel, the Baron Resort. We've got this water park here, slides and all sorts of stuff there, but I don't want to show too much because there is a couple of kids. There's a lot to see here, guys. I've been doing a bit of research, and yeah, there's a lot to see, so I might even book an extra day, make 2 videos here. This structure here, I don't know how well you can see it in the GoPro, that's pretty impressive. And then you've got the eagle over here and a couple of other statues. Look where I am, guys, unbelievable. This is the restaurant just here, but you'll see that tomorrow and the next day because that's where I'll be having breakfast. Beautiful. I'm glad I rode over here. Very, very glad. When they asked me for the insurance card, I thought, screw it, I couldn't be bothered, but I'm glad, so glad I did. Morning. It's 7:30 in the morning. I'm starving. Let's head over for breakfast. Good. Looks like there's something happening over there. This is the water playground I was telling you about, part of the resort. Not too bad here, especially for maybe 25 US a night. Oh, a bit of action there already. Everyone's hungry this morning. I am very hungry, so let's hope it's a nice feed. Yeah. It looked a lot flasher on the photos. I think because it's off season, they would have taken the photos during the big season. But let's grab a coffee and an omelette maybe. What a terrible place to eat my breakfast. I do suffer for my art putting up with these atrocious conditions to bring you guys content. But that's alright, I've got plenty of footage to make a video, so if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that mad dog icon up there or the subscribe button down below. May as well hit that bell icon while you're down there. I always try and respond to your comments, so leave a comment, give me a big thumbs up, share this video everywhere you can. We'll see you in the next one.